What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today, you guys know that I love drones. You guys know that I love providing information on drones. And this duo that I'm about to be talking about, this partnership that I'm about to be talking about, did some phenomenal, amazing things. Of course, we're talking about AgEagle, we're talking about Valqari. They came together, they did some amazing things, and somehow, golfing is involved. Absolutely amazing. So if you guys are interested in AgEagle, you're interested in Valqari, and of course, you're interested in golfing and drones, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we dive into this video, when we talk about Valqari, we talk about AgEagle, we talk about golfing, we talk about drones, and we talk about the beautiful state of Arizona, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. Many of you are going to say, Lucas, what does golfing and drones have to do with each other? Well, that's what is absolutely phenomenal about this partnership that we are seeing really do some amazing things. You have AgEagle, you have Valqari, and they are going to be doing some amazing things with Sun City Golf Course. But before we dive into that partnership, just think about this, guys. If you've ever golfed before, you are obviously out on the 9th hole and you're just thirsty. Maybe it's a hot day and you've really been just hitting it amazing. In my case, I'd be hitting in the water. I would need my, scuba gear because I'd be having to dive in and get the golf balls. But there are some people who are really good at golf, unlike myself. And, they have been playing the links for a long time. They're getting thirsty. They're getting hungry. A drone can then fly to you and basically drop off at the hole where the box is positioned to drop off your concessions. I started to think about this, and it's taken a step further. As a person spectating a sport, in this case, there's a good chance you could be spectating golf. Each hole could have its own individual, container that is Valqari's, and the drones can deliver the concessions to that. You pop open your door, and there is your concessions right there. It's a phenomenal thing to think about, and really, it's a unique way for these drones to really continue to partake in a safe manner of flying as well. You're seeing the drone in its natural state, flying, doing the deliveries. It's just another way to continuously get data from these types of things. So I think this was a phenomenal thing. And I'm going to dive in and provide you the information on this entire thing right now. So swinging on over here, it says AgEagle, an industry-leading drone systems and solution provider, and Valqari LLC, creator of the patent smart drone delivery station, today jointly announced that the companies have teamed to produce a turnkey, fully automated, on-demand drone delivery system for order and delivery of food and beverages to golfers while they are active play on a golf course. Now, we're going to dive in a little bit further, but this can be taken even a step further than that when you just strictly talk about food delivery. So continuing on, it says, earlier this week, AgEagle and Valqari demonstrated its innovative new drone delivery system to officials at the Sun City Country Club, the proud home of the 2015, 16, and 17 Arizona Women's Open and the 2015, 17, and 19 Arizona Special Olympics State Golf Championship. The primary objective of the demo was to test and affirm the functionality of the system, hardware, and mechanical components of the drone delivery system in the real-world use case. A food and beverage order was placed via a Valqari drone delivery station positioned just outside the clubhouse restaurant. The delivery drone was called to pick up the order and fly it to another drone delivery station located on the course. Once the drone released the package and departed, the drone delivery station was activated, relocating the package from the top of the station to the lower compartment for the golfer to securely retrieve the order. So we're actually going to break that down, and I'm going to show that video right here. And I think it's just absolutely phenomenal, guys, because it even says right there, this will lead to further things. This will lead to potentially, a drone being at a restaurant and then flying to, a person said house and dropping off a food delivery. This was really kind of a test, but also an amazing thing that could be conducted in sports. So I really think a big achievement was accomplished here, and really this is much bigger than just golfing, guys. I really want to emphasize that, because I do think that this is a significant piece from a sporting perspective. I really do, but I think you can take this a step further when you're talking about food delivery, and that's something that they're working towards. They've been open about that, and it's something that we believe as people who are seeing the drone evolution come together. We see that this is going to be something drones are going to do. They are going to, obviously deliver food. You got Uber Eats, you got Postmates, you got Grubhub. I mean, the list goes on and on. Obviously they have drivers that deliver the food. Now you're going to have to start thinking of the aspect of a drone doing the exact same thing at a much higher rate, at a cheaper cost, and it's just going to be phenomenal. So, I'm just excited. I truly am. I think that this was just phenomenal information. So now what I'm going to do is provide both CEOs' perspectives, and I know Ryan Walsh, I bet he was pumped about this entire thing. Not that Michael Droz wasn't, but I know Ryan Walsh was extremely happy with this entire thing. So let's see what Michael had to say first. Michael Droz, CEO of AgEagle, stated, "Successfully demonstrating our drone delivery system at Sun City Country Club was the first crucial step in advancing our efforts to produce turnkey drone solutions capable of addressing real-world commercial applications on and off the golf course. The pilot project has also given AgEagle and Valqari the opportunity to leverage and combine our respective strengths, experience, and technology, serving to introduce a dynamic new dimension to our exciting business partnership." Again, it's just taking it to a new step every single time. I mean, the ties with these two companies is already deep enough, but they just keep doing and impressing people even more. It's phenomenal. Ryan Walsh, Valqari founder and CEO, added, "Sun City Country Club provided us with an ideal venue for conducting this initial pilot test. We greatly appreciate their enthusiasm for the prospect of enhancing the overall golfing experience for their patrons through drone-enabled on-demand delivery of food and refreshments to our secure drone delivery stations. This demonstration of AgEagle and Valqari technology shows just one of the many ways our joint system can be used to optimize fast and secure deliveries for industries ranging from hospitality to commercial deliveries and beyond." Again, another major emphasis on, hey, yes, we were able to conduct this on a golf course. We showed it being successful, but this is a bigger perspective. This is a bigger picture, what we're trying to accomplish here. We want to take this and show that we're capable of doing this in a commercial manner, delivering packages, delivering, pharmaceuticals, delivering medicines, delivering everything in that manner. But hey, this is just the first step, and we want to show we're capable of doing that on a golf course. I think it's phenomenal, guys. It really is. Sun City Country Club manager Jamie Lewis said, "We were very pleased to have Sun City serve as the site for AgEagle and Valqari pilot demo. We were duly impressed with their game-changing approach to delivering drinks, food, and snacks to golfers, and can envision the system being integrated into our course, and perhaps courses worldwide in the future. It really does take customer experience and convenience to an entirely new level," and I would have to agree. I mean, it's just amazing to see the ability of a drone delivering food, beverages, whatever else you may need on a golf course to be delivered to the hole that you're at. It's amazing. I mean, truthfully, think about this. And I started thinking about this immediately. Let's say you are out on hole number 6. And in my case, I probably have already gone through a whole sleeve of balls. If you run out of golf balls and you are in need of golf balls, maybe there's a way you could order from the clubhouse a sleeve of golf balls. They go out, they put it into the box, the drone picks it up, takes it, and drops the golf balls off at the station, and you're ready to continue on. Maybe you forgot tees. Maybe you forgot whatever you may have, not even necessarily forgot, but just ran out. That is always an accessibility, because the drone can quickly fly them to you and deliver them to you in a safe and secure manner, and it's not interfering with anything. Absolutely amazing, guys. Now, we've come to my favorite part of any video, and that is chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and check out AgEagle, ticker symbol UAVS. So today it opened at $14.20. It got as high as $15.22, immediately roared out the gate which is a little bit different than usual. Its low was $13.62. Volume was 4.108 million. Market cap is currently $828.5 million. 52-week high is $17.68. 52-week low is 19 cents. And its average volume is 8.585 million. So as you can see, we were down in the volume sector. It closed today at $14.09. That was down 4.93%. But in the after hours, it squeaked up just a little bit, closing out the day completely at $14.15, up 0.43%. Excuse me. So this is a one-day chart, and as you guys can see, like I said, it roared out the gate. Typically, it's kind of been the opposite. So as of late, it seems like it's already at a high, and then it really kind of gets that morning sell-off, as I would refer to it as, and then we kind of figure out how the day is going to go. In this case, it really roared out the gate, and I thought today was actually going to be a overall tremendous day. You know, obviously some of the things that are going on with the market, you got bond yields, you got, you know, stimulus situations going on, you got all kinds of things that are really kind of interfering with everything that is going on with the market. So as the day trended on, this really kind of just went south, and then kind of just leveled off to finish out the rest of the day. And that was kind of, you know, common with the rest of the stock market as well for the most part. The Dow rallied at the very end, but for the most part, a lot of these stocks were really kind of in a stalemate towards the whole, you know, the whole day. But I think AgEagle is really getting kind of locked and loaded when it comes to a lot of information. I think a lot of positivity is about to start coming out. I mean, remember, guys, we are only in, you know, towards the middle, almost to the end of February. We still have a lot of year to go, and 2021 is supposed to be very, very significant for the drone sector. There's going to be a lot of things that start to pour out for the drone companies, and, you know, this is definitely one that I feel is at the top. In my opinion, and like I said, this is just my opinion, I think AgEagle is number one when it comes to the drone. You know, when everything you think about a drone, you start thinking about package delivery, you start talking about manufacturing and assembly, you start talking about, you know, major e-commerce partnerships, you start talking about all kinds of things. I think that they're number one for me, and I obviously did a video on Alpine 4 Technologies. I feel that they're right there with them. These companies are starting to separate themselves. You're starting to see, you know, some people, you know, companies like this really start to become a true company, and they're starting to take the steps that they need necessary to continue pushing ahead and really separating themselves to become the best. AgEagle is definitely one of those guys. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on AgEagle and Valqari. I mean, there's no question that this partnership right here is going to do some massive things in the drone sector. There's no question. I do want to remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.